Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Yext for location SEO strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type yext.com in the address bar and press enter. Once the Yext homepage loads, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you need to reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Yext dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Locations tab on the sidebar. Click on the Locations tab to access your location management. Here, you can view and manage all your listed locations. To add a new location, click the Add Location button. Fill in the required fields, including the name, address, and phone number of the location. Once all information is entered, click Save to create the new location listing. To optimize your listings for SEO, focus on accuracy and consistency across all entries. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are uniform and correctly formatted. Consider adding rich content to your locations, such as photos and descriptions. Monitor your listings regularly for any updates or inaccuracies. Utilize Yext's analytics tools to track your performance and user engagement. By effectively managing your Yext account, you can enhance your location SEO strategy. Regularly update your information to keep your listings fresh and relevant. Incorporate customer reviews and respond promptly to boost your profile. Stay informed about Yext's new features and updates to maximize your strategy. With consistent effort, your location SEO will improve, driving more customers to your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.